Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restore or get back notifications on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you don't see notifications on your lock screen and you want to restore them, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the settings gear button here. And then you want to scroll down on the settings page until you get to the security and privacy section. And then you want to scroll down here underneath other settings and select more security and privacy. And then you want to select the notifications on lock screen button at the top and then select show all notification content. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.